Let's talk about uh, what is a um, exact science. Exact science is like 2 plus 2 equals 4. Chemistry is not exact science. When you hear guys, this is the formula so and so, they don't have the 100% carbon or oxygen or whatever. They have a mixture. This is just an example. Some are or even worse than that are solutions. They mix them together, and the result is something. They give, this is the percentage of the result, and something that it's impurities. So, okay, try to separate them. We cannot. You have to take them in. The same with the drugs and the medicine and everything made on pharmaceuticals. This is not exact science. This is just a trial and error. When it comes down to chemistry, they've done some work, and we have plastic, and we have solutions, and so on. But it's a long way to go to say this is exact science. It's not. It's a mixture of solutions that we technologically have developed, but is not. When it comes down to clothing, many people like to wear white during the summer and black during the winter, but nobody gives a thought why. They just feel good and looks nice, but the reality is during the summer when the sun is up, uh, white color reflects light, so your body doesn't get heat up because sunlight. During the winter, black clothes attract heat from the sun and warms your body. Now, if we have a absolute black color, whatever light comes on it, it doesn't reflect, so it absorbs all that and transfers in heat. But it's not something like that we have. Yeah. So pay attention when it comes down to what garbage people try to sell. Yeah, this is exact, is perfect. There are certain things that we know, even the math. If we say approximately this, okay, that's fine. Don't be exact. We understand where you go to, but just to say that, yeah, we mix this and this exact, we know for sure. Okay, but once you hear that impurities, watch out, is not perfect. So that's why I don't trust too much chemistry. But when it comes down to metals, this is what at this age of high-tech electronics, we kind of lost. Everybody knows what Teflon is, but bronze is kind of gone. But the older mechanics and the older people, they know that is less friction. It doesn't need that much oil. It has a certain porosity. It dissipates a lot better heat. It's more expensive, hard to produce, and kind of cracks a lot easier. But when it comes down to the smoothness of it and heat dissipation, you cannot compare. It takes a lot of more shocks and some other stuff. It is not my specialty. Just what I've seen in the electrical motors and some mechanical parts that I deal with. But the chemicals just kills all the oil, or just watch out whatever you wash, and you'll be impressed how much damage we do with those chemicals that we trust so easy, and they just come into spray bottle and just very easy spray and kill everything.